Hey Space Nation, today I want to focus on points and coins and demystifying a little bit of the math behind them because I found some interesting information out after just looking at stuff and adding some numbers up and realizing it wasn't as straightforward as we thought it might be. So first, I'm going to talk about points, okay? So you'll see at the top of my screen, I've got 15,605 points. How do you get points? Well, you get points by doing missions. I think we know this at this point. Doing missions and the points system is really straightforward, actually. This is the most simple and makes all the sense in the world. If you do a mission, so let me just pay for this so I can open it up here. If you do a mission, then you will get however many points that you earn at the end of it. Points plus bonus points, okay? So generally, each mission that you complete is 50 points, and then bonus points. So if I complete one of these missions, I am going to get, without any bonus points, I'm going to be at 15,655 instead of 15,605. Really straightforward. The other thing that's important to note is new release yesterday came out, and they started tracking our badges. So that's new. They start giving you levels. So before it just kind of like ran around and around and around, and it didn't really have a tracking system for us, and now it's in bronze. So if I do something, so what was this mission? This was the lunar mission. So what is that line up under space physics? Okay, so if I would go to the space physics and I were to finish that, then my space physics would go up by however many points I got. So if it was 60, it'd go up to 1783. If it was 70, 1793. And so on and so forth, okay? So points. Points, very simple, understandable, and points are important. Why? Because that determines your rank, not only weekly, but all-time rank. And as far as we know, that is their main, Space Nation's main way of being able to differentiate and then send out invitations between all of us for space camp. So with that in mind, that's points. Now, where it gets a little tricky is coins. So coins, why are coins important? Before when we had ads, coins weren't so important, but now that ads have been disabled, coins are much more important because that's how you unlock new missions. That's how you are going to be able to increase your points. Now, missions automatically unlock. Currently, it seems like they're unlocking every 12 hours or twice a day, it seems. So you have the ability to do 8 missions per day. You just have to check in on a regular basis and do them regularly. So you're going to have to check in the morning and at night kind of thing to be able to do the missions and get your points without spending any coins. Now, you earn coins for every mission you complete. This is where it gets a little interesting. There is actually, I played around with this last night for quite a while, and I finally figured out that there is an algorithm or a formula for how many points you get, coins you get per mission completed. So I am going to throw up a formula here. Now what you're going to see is that the formula is a little bit odd. So you have this 84 plus 2 times your bonus. So what that means is if you just pass a mission with no bonus points, you will get 84 coins, no matter what. 84, why? I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me. Maybe there is logic. If someone else has figured this out, let me know. But 84 coins for just completing a mission. Now, for every bonus point you get, for every 1 bonus point you get, they will give you an additional 2 coins. So what does that mean? If you get 10 bonus points, which is 60 points total, right? 50 points plus your 10 bonus points, then you're going to get your 84 normal coins plus an additional 20 coins. So you're going to get 104 coins, okay, added to your total. So I'm going to prove this to you just so you can see how it works, but that is the math, all right? It's weird. I don't know why, but I'm just going to show you one of these missions here Okay, so we got the habitability quiz, which is a quiz which is pretty easy to do. So I'm just going to kind of go through this quickly. But first, let's make sure we are paying attention to both our points in the top and our coins in the top as well. So it's 15,605 points and 138 coins. Okay, and we're going to see how this adds up after we're done. I'm going to do this quiz. Okay, so now that I finished this quiz, and you're going to be able to now look and see what I'm talking about. Okay, so what do we have? We have 50 points plus 14 bonus points. So what is that? That's 64 total points. So we should be seeing 64 points added to the total point total. Now, keep in mind that for coins, it's a little different. So we need to remember that I had 14 bonus points here, and that'll be the important thing. So let's look at the points real quick. Done. So 1560, well, 1,000, or sorry, wow, okay, 15,669. So let's just bring up the calculator here just to prove it real quick. 15,669 minus 15,605, which was that original thing that we got, 64, right? There. Now, what we're going to notice is that the coins has gone up from 138 before to 250. Just real quick, 250 minus our 138 that we had before. How many points do we add? 112. So now I've added 112 coins. What you'll see is that is pretty straightforward. The 84 coins that we had before, plus the 14 coins times 2, 112. All right, so that is the formula, okay? What does that mean? The more coins that you get, the more missions you're going to be able to unlock, which means you're going to be able to up your point total, right? So the bottom line for the coins is that for every 2 to 3 missions that you complete, you will get a free mission based on the coins they're giving you as rewards, right? So you're gonna every three missions that you complete, if you just get the bare minimum, you don't get any bonus points, whatever, you will at least get 1 free mission for every 3 missions you complete. If you max out every single time, which would be very impressive, there's only I think there's only 1 game that I can actually do that on. But if you can max out and get 20 points, then you will be able, on every single one, then every 2 missions that you complete, you'll be able to get a free mission to then do more. Obviously, the more missions you complete, the more points total, and that's kind of the whole point, right? So that is how I've explained, or that is the current algorithm and explanation for all of your points and coins and how they relate and how bonus points affect them. If you have any questions, or if you have found something in the algorithm that makes more sense, or you've found some interesting information that I have not uncovered, would love to hear it in the comments. Questions, feel free to throw them in the comments below as well. Also, please hit that like button. It'll help me to understand what information is valuable and what you're finding interesting, and I'll keep putting that up there. So, as always, guys, keep pushing for those points. Keep adding points to your total. And I will see you in Space Camp in Iceland. See you guys.